I'm about to show you a tool that you can use to install different applications to your Android TV, and this tool works on Android TV, Fire TV, Android TV box, and lots of other devices. In this tool, you are going to see tons of different categories of applications that you can install to your Android TV. So if you like this video, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. Now, I'm not only going to show you this tool, I'm going to show you how to install applications from this tool, and most importantly, how to install this tool.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 GB space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
So here's a tool I'm talking about, and it has different categories of application. If you come over here, you're going to see lots of different application categories that you can install to your Android TV. And there are lots like music, players and browsers, free VPN, essentials, entertainment, and lots of different categories. There are over 10 categories over here. And if you want to install an application, you have to choose the category that you want to install. Let's say, for instance, I want to install a player. I'll go over to player and browser, and you're going to see the different players and browsers that are here. And as I said, there are lots of different applications in this tool. Now, if I want to install an application, like for instance, an example of a player, I'm going to go over here and search for the player I want to install. Remember, these are just players. So if I want to install, for instance, this HB player, what I'll do is I'm going to go over to the option that says download over here. So I'll come to this option and I'll click download. Once you click download, it is going to start downloading. As you can see here, the percentage downloaded. Once it's done downloading, it's going to show here that the application is downloaded. Now we're just going to wait for this to download. While it's downloading, I'm going to say that while you're using this application, it is very important for you to use a VPN, because your Android TV or Fire TV is not secured. Your location can be exposed using some tools like this. So it's very important for you to use a VPN to stay secure on the internet. On the description of this video, I've added a best VPN that you can use to stay secure on the internet. Please use a VPN. Even if you don't use the one I recommend in the description, you can search over the internet for more other options of VPNs that you can use so they can stay secure on the internet, and also it helps you bypass certain limitations you might find on the internet. So this is how you install the application. It's downloading right now. It's going to download and complete. So just wait for it to download and complete. So once the application downloads, what you have to do is go over here and click on install, and wait for it to install to Android TV by just watching. So the application is going to install to Android TV, and they can go ahead and launch it. And this is how you can install applications from here. So now the application is installed, and I can click done. And this is how you can download and install applications from this application that I just showed you. And if you are worried, you can see that the application says that it is updated. So for instance, if you go over here, see the last update is 27th of July. This is just around 2 weeks ago that this application was updated. So that's something you should like about this application, because all the applications in this app are up to date. So the question is, how do you install this application? It's called APKTime to your Android TV, and it's simple. I'm going to show you how to install APKTime. To install APKTime, we need downloader app. Now, if you don't have downloader app, you need to start by installing a downloader app, which is simple. Go over to your Google Play and search for the application. If you don't have Google Play, you come over to your browser and search for the application. So all you have to do is just come over here and type in downloader app. And here is my suggestion here. So I'm not going to type in the whole application. I'm just going to go over to this option that says downloader app. And you're going to see it as a result on your result page when you search downloader app. Now, this is going to work with any browser. I'm just using the Google browser because that is what I want. So you go over here and you're going to see the option of Google Play on the web version of it. So this application, I already have it installed. So So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. So once you go over to Google Play, you have to type in a code to install the application, and the code in this case is simply you go over here and type in this code 21254. So you come over here, type in this code 21254, and you can go ahead and install the application. Just launch on the code, and the code is going to bring you to the page where you can download and install the APKTime application to your Android TV. This is very simple, and it's going to work. So you type in the code and then you wait. So here it is going to bring you to this site to install the application. What you have to do is just wait, come over to the option that says download and click on it. Once you click on it, they say your program is going to start download APK time on Android TV. This is an alternate store with a basic design. It is very easy to use. So just wait for the application to start downloading. So once you click on it, the application is going to start downloading like this. So just wait for it to download, and then we can install to our Android TV, and that is it. So here is it is downloading. It's going to quickly download right now. But as I said earlier, please make sure you are using a VPN to do all of this so that you stay secured on the internet. Use a VPN.
In the meantime, if you're looking for other ways to install certain applications on your Android TV, just know that on my YouTube channel, you're going to find tons of other videos there that can help you install lots of other applications, especially using applications like Unlink, AppLink, Downloader, and so on. Just head over to my YouTube channel and search whatever application you're searching for on the search bar. You're definitely going to see a video that's going to help you get the application to your Android TV. And if you find any of my videos helpful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. And also turn on the notification so that when I create a video, you'll be one of the first person to see the video that I create. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It is very important for you to like and subscribe. I'm always here. I create videos all the time and every day, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you want me to create a video for you, just drop the topic in the comment section and I'm going to find out and do research, then create a video for you.
So once the application is downloaded, it's going to bring it to the install button just like this. I already have the application on my Android TV, so that's why it's asking me to update, not install. On your case, you're going to see install. So you're just going to go over here and click on install, and then wait, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV, just like I've showed you. And once you're done, all you have to do is to return, delete the app file from your Android TV, and then if you go home, you're going to see the application, and then you can launch it and install all the applications, any application that you want, just like I showed you at the beginning of this video. And that's how to use application to install applications to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.